I'm Josh. Uh, I am a web designer with J&M Web Creations. I build websites, do SEO, all kinds of digital marketing, and I would give Vectera a 5 out of 5. I use Vectera for essentially all my one-on-one meetings with clients. If there's a couple people that need to be in the meeting, it works extremely well for that. It allows for me to have continuous meeting rooms that are saved after we close the meeting room, and links that are easily gone back to, URLs that I can name instead of just like some of the other products that have just random numbers after them. The thing I like most about Vectera is the continuous rooms that you can keep going as long as you want. You can delete them, add new ones. You can name the rooms after whatever client you're working with, so it's easy for them to remember the link. And it keeps it easy to keep things all in one place. They can add chats that can be saved. They can add their different documents to it, and everything is saved in there for a later date if you have other meetings with these clients. There are a couple small things that I dislike, though I can use other programs for with this with Vectera. The couple of things that I dislike are the max amount of people in your room is only 10, though that's very uncommon that I have that. There are some reasons I may want to in the future, but it doesn't allow over 10. The other thing that some of the others have that they have not implemented, though they've talked about it, is call in with your phone for audio. So there are some clients who don't really know how to do the audio thing, or they have a computer with a camera, but for some reason don't have audio. You can't call to the phone number and do audio through that.